To convert your PowerPoint into a SCORM package, simply click the link provided in the description and fill out the required details in the form. Next, upload your PowerPoint file from your system and click on Import. The process may take a few moments to complete, so please wait while your presentation is being uploaded. Once it is uploaded, click on Generate Courses. Within just a few minutes, your entire PowerPoint presentation will be seamlessly converted into a SCORM. You can now explore the editable options available on the left side panel to customize your course as needed. By clicking on the Media option, you can choose images from the library, upload your own, or even generate visuals instantly using the text-to-image feature. For interactive videos, upload a video from your system or paste a YouTube, Instagram link. Also, explore interactivity, quiz, translate, and other advanced editing features. Once you've finished editing, click on the Save option to export in SCORM 1.2 or SCORM 2004.